You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary many get wrong in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more and become part of the community. Orchestration. In British English it's said as orchestration, stress on the third stray syllable, orchestration. In American English it's normally said as orchestration. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.